College of Teachers Education CTE PGT ka badai ka shlem jing hikai ban pentebet iki samla ha ka bedai bat ka kam hikai mata kasngi kala penhap perdano ya ka college week arhajar arpulai ka belas dang nadu ka arpinyau tarik urisau arhajar arpulai kani ka college week jong ka PGT ka longru shibenta ban rakhi ya ka diamond jubilee ni ka link ho snem ban riu phau jong ka jings dang ya ka di ka shlem puli hakadi kasngi UMLA kan nongkrem uba Ardent mela pasayomot ulong kum ukongsan bat hakadi kasngi le dan lang ka principal katika college ka Dr. RM Tongper ka principal barem ka Shillong College ka kong PR Lingdo ki professor ki nong hikai ki samla puli bat ki wei ki bla shakot ngau ha habakren kum ukongsan hakadi kasngi uba Ardent ula kentui ki samla pasak pentebet bagi day banong ki Shlur ban ong em ya ka bakim sngu ya hap ni ya ka du ka kam ka bala benchet la ki sngu thu shai pa kam kot bor ban le ula ong ru bakum ki samla ki day ban Kynmaw kendiang ba wad deng ka jingbun kam kim day ban le klet ya la ka Koit ka Khiah Henry banda ai poru namar ka Koit ka Khiah ka day ka spa ba jong ka jing imu brio hakani kasngi na kalyang ki samla puli ki lapen iya ki sap ki phong bala samru iki khusnam shakinong job jong ka jia ko ba pher
all members of the teaching staff, members of the non-teaching staff, and all the student teachers. I would also like to wish all the participants who have participated in this whole week that you have organized as the college. In fact, it is an honor for me to speak before a group of teachers who are responsible for imparting education and training to the teaching community, and also in the midst of those who would become the nation builders in the near future. I am also very delighted to learn that this College Week is being observed as part of a Diamond Jubilee celebration of the college. So I wish each one of you a very happy Diamond Jubilee. When I speak here today in this occasion, I am reminded of what was written in the scriptures, which says that there is time for everything. Therefore, it is not advisable for us to go against what was written in the scripture. I must appreciate the college authority for organizing this College Week. And I am happy that a chance is being given to all the students to participate in different items. Indeed, it is a needed break for each one of you from weeks and months of studies, duties, responsibilities, assignment, so on and so forth. A program like this is going to revitalize our minds and rejuvenate our bodies. Nowadays, we used to hear people complaining about burning out completely with loads of work, and many are becoming victims of the pressure in life. We have also been hearing that health is wealth, which is a very old saying, but still relevant even today. We should keep in mind that health must be accorded a top priority in our lives. If we manage to stay healthy, we will be definitely able to complete our works and duties and live a happy life. Therefore, despite our busy schedule, we must find a way out to give time to our physical need. In the past, people used to consider that a gym is meant only for bodybuilding. However, in these days, people go to the gym for health reasons. We are now living not only in a very difficult times, but in a very stressful condition. Therefore, if we fail to give attention to our health, we may put our lives in danger. Remember that stress does not affect our physical bodies only, but it disturbs our minds. Many people are made to think too much because of the pressure in workplace, and many become sick as a result of these pressures. To each one of you is to stop thinking too much. Be content of what you can do and stop worrying about what you cannot do. Remind yourself that you too are human beings. You need to regulate your minds and bodies. Prepare a routine for your daily life and live accordingly. I will say that fear factor is also another cause of concern. Sometimes people push themselves too much, even beyond their strength and capability, because of the fear of the higher authority. This, I feel, is wrong. We must have the courage to say no when we are asked to do something which is against our moral stand and beyond our limits. This kind of a break is not meant only for a day or once, but it has to be on a regular basis and practice that each one of you needs to follow throughout your life for the good of your own health, which will ultimately become your lasting wealth. So today I know that this college week has a lot of significance since it coincides with a Diamond Jubilee celebration. It takes us down to the memory lane in the journey of the college. It reminds each one of you how this college was started and where it has reached today. Therefore, we are duty bound to remember and pay tribute to all those who were instrumental in the establishment of the college. We are now witnessing the growth of this college through ceaseless effort of many responsible persons, and they have really left a legacy behind us which we would love to cherish. So once again, with this program, I would also like to wish each one of you a blessed day ahead. And may God bless the college, bless us all. Thank you very much.
2023. I'm really overwhelmed by your performance and participations in the various activities during this college week. Education is concerned with the integrated development of the personality of an individual, and we focus on learning by doing, learning by living, and learning without fear. These are the main characteristics of the new education. Now, as teachers, we must stress not only on the 3 R's, that is reading, writing, and arithmetic, but we have to add another 4 R's, which are the rights, the responsibilities, recreation, and relationship. Throughout this college week, I have seen that every participant, they learn how to shoulder their responsibilities and develop their relationship